Hey guys, this is Crux from Tech Gear TV. So today we have another episode of build. We will be building stuff from Maxsun today. So Maxsun is a China brand. It's not very well known here in Malaysia, but hopefully today after this video, more people will know about it. So we have the iCraft B460M motherboard. iCraft is their gaming series, so it's like Gigabyte Aorus or ROG from Asus. And here we have the NVMe drive from Maxsun as well. So they don't only make GPUs and motherboards, they also make memories in terms of storage and DDR RAMs. So NVMe drives here, SATA drive from Maxsun as well. So we're not gonna use the SATA drive today because we're just gonna use the NVMe drive because that's gonna save us 2 cables, okay? And then we have 2 sticks of DDR4 RGB RAMs here from Maxsun as well. These are rated at 32 megahertz. From what I can see from the back, they have a pretty beefy heatsink. Alright, so let's put that away as well. I want to show you guys a bit about the motherboard. See, the motherboard actually comes in a pretty well-packed box, very nicely printed, something that you would actually keep and collect, I think. Alright, let's open it up, shall we? Alright. Okay, so it actually comes with kawaii anime girl stickers. I'm not too familiar with the character, so I'm sure she's got a name or something. They look pretty cute. I'm sure you can stick it somewhere in your computer right here. So, oh, they don't actually only have anime girls. They also have anime guys from iCraft. Can you guys see it? Okay, I think that's enough. Alright, alright, so in the box, it's pretty fairly standard. Accessories for the, let me see. Oh no, they have a heatsink for the M2 drives, a couple of SATA cables. Yeah, so pretty standard. So I'm not going to show you the motherboard right here because you can see it in the full build in the video. I'll pack this right up. Actually, no, I'm not gonna bother. Alright, so for the CPU, we have the Intel i5-10400F. It's just gonna work. I mean, we're not gonna put an i7 or i9 to pair with the RTX 3060 because it's not the best GPU out there, right? So powering it all, we have the Corsair CV650 bronze power supply. That's pretty standard. So for the GPU, 3 fans, huge heatsink, lots of RGB, I assume. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Alright guys, we're back, and here we have the Maxsun iCraft gaming PC featuring an RTX 3060. So as you can see, there's a lot of RGB going on. We have 6 fans installed and 3 exhausts and 3 intakes, so a balance of airflow and air pressure. They have a cutout here for the PSU, so you can see what PSU we're using. Oh, I actually forgot to tell you guys, this is actually a Maxsun casing as well. It actually fits an eATX motherboard. What's the model? C1. Yeah, so this is a Maxsun iCraft C1 gaming PC case. So as you can see, the front is fully populated with RGB as well. It actually requires 2 extra SATA power to power it up, and you can actually synchronize it if your motherboard have an ARGB header, which this one have. We don't have it actually synchronized right now because we don't have Windows installed with this machine. And so you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like the video, dislike if you actually dislike it. Stay tuned.